Okay, today we're going to do a nice little tip. We're going to do an inversion IPA vinaigrette, cool and groovy. First things first, this can be room temperature, this can be chilled. Again, we're going to get a nice little foam. We're going to make quite a bit of this dressing. This is for our party tonight with Blackstrap. Woo! Appearing here at Elk Lake towards the end of the month. Check it out. Now, I'm going to give this a stir, get rid of some of these bubbles. Now, the reason why we're not cooking this down like we would with some of our other syrups, our other sauces, is that we really want the hops out of this IPA to come out. Give it nice and grassy. All right, again, 365 balsamic vinegar. I've got about a half a bottle here. We're going to use maybe a quarter. Now, we're going to do a little honey. This is about 4 ounces. One down. That was 2 ounces. Here would be 4. This stuff is a little thick. It's going to help emulsify, because you don't want this stuff separating too much. We will give it a stir right before we serve it. That's down. That stuff sticks to the bottom, so make sure that you stir that in before you stir anything else in. Very well, it's nicely well incorporated. Stone ground mustard, yummy. I'm gonna give a good 2 tablespoons. Now, I've got a nicely good sized shallot, finely minced. We have covered that in a previous episode, I swear. Again, another stir. You're not gonna over stir this, trust me. We have some nice fresh thyme. Thyme, my favorite. I want a test drive. Oh, that's nice and sweet. Now we need, we need some salt. A nice little palmful. This is coarse. I'm gonna twist that in. Get rid of the rest. Of course, cracked black. Most dressings, you're gonna put quite a bit of oil, up to even 2/3 of this to 1/3 of your balsamic or any kind of vinegar. Not gonna do that. It overpowers the hops. Don't do that. Only a few tablespoons. Just kind of mellow it out. And take it for a test drive. Touch more stone ground. Oh, it's coming out beautifully though. Just a touch. Ta-da. Perfect. I call that a yumpster. You won't find your love in a black Pew Porter beer.
Wait, Knuckle Studios.
Okay, I think that's enough.